Morning students of 8th class. Last class the selfish giant part 1 started. So first paragraph completed. Here is old giant and the giant is both same characters. Here is the old giant is describing, he is narrating the story. Here how he selfish. So here first paragraph, after that everyone, that is here children almost all after completion of schooling, so they went to garden and they play something. Here every afternoon as they were coming from school, here they means children, all I have told you. Children, page number here is 35, open textbook, following the first paragraph. After that, every afternoon as they were coming from outside school, here is from school, the children used to go and play every day. That is in my garden. Here I told you, my refer, my means here is, my means self, here is selfish, here is related word my, nadi, na yokka, that is it is swartham ikkada. My garden refers to my capital, here is selfish. So the children here used to play, that is my garden is here Jane's, old Jane's garden. But one day I came back. Who came back here, children? Old Jane came back. Okay, next paragraph. I have been to visit my friend the Cornish Ogre. O-G-R-E, Ogre. Cornish Ogre. Here is a friend of old Jane. Cornish Ogre studies, here is a friend of old Jane. Old Jane, so he went to his friend's house and stayed some more time, and had stayed with him for 7 years. So old Jane was not there in his garden. So he stayed 7 years. He stayed 7 years. After the 7 years were over, I had said all that I had to say. Here is after 7 years over, he had said, what he had said, all that I have to say, that I determined means here decided to go back to his own place. I determined to return to my own castle. Here castle means a strong big building, thick walls, a beautiful palace, a beautiful big building, strong and thick walls. Okay children, castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, T silent, castle means big building, strong and big building and thick walls. Here, who decided here? Old giant decided to return to his own castle. When I arrived, I saw children playing in my garden. So here when the old giant here is arrived, the particular place here is garden. His garden, what time? That is evening time. For example, children were doing, that is they were playing, they were jumping, they were singing. So that is almost all children. So I think they were playing at that time when old giant visited his garden. I saw here, what did the giant see? Here he saw all children playing in his garden. So the old giant he can't tolerate. He can't tolerate. ఒక్కసారిగా పిల్లలందరూ కూడా గార్డెన్లో చాలా ఆనందంగా, చాలా హ్యాపీగా దే ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్, దే ఆర్ డాన్సింగ్, సింగింగ్, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ప్లేయింగ్. సో he can't tolerate when he saw the children, they were playing, they were playing different games in his garden. He can't tolerate. He can't tolerate. It is called here selfish. స్వార్థంతో ఒక్కసారిగా తను తట్టుకోలేకపోయాడు. ఒక్కసారి పిల్లలందరినీ చూసి వాళ్ళందరూ గార్డెన్, తన గార్డెన్లో వితౌట్ హిస్ పర్మిషన్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఎంటర్ అవ్వటం, గేమ్స్ ప్లే చేసుకోవటం, ఎంజాయ్ చేయడం అనేది ద ఓల్డ్ జైంట్ హియర్ కాంట్ టాలరేట్. నెక్స్ట్ డైలాగ్, ద జైంట్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రోల్ ప్లే, హియర్ ఈస్ డైలాగ్ one by one. Next, the giant. What are doing here? That is outside here. The children run away. When the giant that is entered the garden, he asked one question. What are you doing here? Then the children run away. Why? Because he was very fearful to see. So almost all children run away. The giant, my own garden is my own garden. Hey, this is my garden. It belongs to me. It is my property. Na garden nade. And one can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play. So I already informed, I already said to you. So no one should allow into my garden without any permission. So, and I will allow nobody, nenu evarni kuda allow cheyanu to play in it. In it refers to garden, to play in it. But myself, nenu tappa ఎవరు కూడా ఈ గార్డెన్కి ప్లే చేయడానికి, గేమ్స్ ప్లే చేయడానికి ఎవరిని అలౌ చేయను. సో ఐ వోంట్ అలౌ ఎనీబడి టు ప్లే ఇన్ ద గార్డెన్, టు ప్లే ఇన్ garden, because we understood children how he is selfish. He can only play in his garden. He didn't allow anyone else here to play in his garden. This is very selfish. Children, you know one thing, that is children almost are from lower children think that is they didn't give anything. So they proudly say, this is the thing, this is the pen, this is the pencil, or this is the box brings to my father, my mother. I won't allow. This is simple thing either. But here is garden. It's a public. Everyone should enter. We saw so many parks, so many museums, so many public places. Many people come and that is spend most of their time to discuss, to play, or to meet. But here, the old giant did not allow anyone else to play in his garden. Next point, children. The old giant point out the younger giant. Here is younger giant is there, old giant is there. Point out the younger giant working on a wall. Working on a wall. Putting up a sign and then listening at the wall, and then listening at the wall. Here is the old giant. Point out, put the younger ones. Point out this Chitramata. Giant working on a wall. What's here? Here is they are that is making a wall, a high wall around his garden, because no one should enter, because it was a high wall. When we built a high wall, so no one should enter into his garden. A garden chuttu pedda high wall goda katteste evaru kuda lopaliki vellaniki possibility లేదు, అవకాశం ఉండదు. Putting up a sign board and then listening at the wall. Old giant. So I built a high wall all around and put up a notice board, a hanging board. Notice for small hanging notice board. He built a wall around his garden and he hanged a board, display board here. Next. So what is the board here, children? Here, trespassers will be prosecuted. Trespassers means people who passers goes on, and that is on the road, that is walking along the road. So into that is they entered into that is land without any permission. కొంతమంది పాదయాత్రలు నడిచి వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు అనుమతి లేకుండా కొన్ని పబ్లిక్ ప్లేసెస్కి వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటారు. So that is called trespassers. So here is one who go into the land without any permission. That is called trespasser. Trespassers means a person one who go into the land without permission. వాళ్ళకి పర్మిషన్ తీసుకోకుండా ఎంటర్ అవడం, లోపల ఎంటర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళని trespassers. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి? Will be prosecuted. Prosecute means take an action according to, that is as per law. As per law, చట్టరీత్యా చట్ట ప్రకారంగా వాళ్ళ మీద యాక్షన్ తీసుకుంటారు. ఎవరైతే పర్మిషన్ లేకుండా వాళ్ళ గార్డెన్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యారో, వాళ్ళ సైట్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయితే వాళ్ళని యాజ్ పర్ లా యాక్షన్ షుడ్ బి టేకెన్ యాజ్ పర్ లా, చట్ట ప్రకారంగా యాక్షన్ తీసుకుంటామని This is the board should be hanged on the wall. Wall మీద కరెక్ట్ డిస్ప్లే చేశారు ఆ బోర్డు చక్కగా కనిపిస్తుంది. I heard the children. I means here who is I referred here? Old Jane. He heard inside one of this garden and he is listening what children, that is what their comments outside of the wall. Outside of the wall. I heard the children whispering low voice, speaking in a low manner, outside the wall on their way to school. వాళ్ళు స్కూల్కి బయటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు వచ్చిన పిల్లలందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళు ఏమి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారని విందామడం కోసం here is old giant, here is there, cut the wall, that is going to listen what children's comments. When old giant built the wall around his garden, the garden చుట్టూరు గోడ కట్టేసిన తర్వాత ఈ నోటీస్ బోర్డు డిస్ప్లే చేసిన తర్వాత బయట పిల్లలు వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు, వాళ్ళు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కామెంట్స్ ఏంటి, that is see the next page children, page number 36. So this is the picture, here is a wall, just like that, here is wall, that is tall girl, that is here is very tall girl. What is about her comment? Now we have nowhere to play. She is attracted to some other children. She is talking to some other children. Now we have nowhere to play. మనం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆడుకుంటాం, ఎక్కడ లేని ప్లేస్ ఆడుకోవడానికి. Short boy, some short boy in the comparison. We can play on the road. Okay, nowhere to means okay. Once we played in the garden, but it is not there. So okay, we play on the road. We play on the road. Next comment. Another one. Square girl. So here is there. But the road is very dusty. Someone told. Again, as a short boy's question. Someone told. Okay, we play on the road. But what about the road status? It was dusty. But the road is very dusty. బాగా దుమ్ముగా ఉంది. Next. Graceful girl. Another one. Graceful girl. And full of hard stones. Not only dust. Full of hard stones like pebbles. చిన్న చిన్న పిల్లకరాలు hard stones నాకు పుచ్చుకుంటాయి రోడ్డు మీద మనం వాడు. Round boy. And the one is here is attracting. The names are children are that is attracting. Tall girl, as you know. But here short boy, both are not. But here is square girl. Square girl, we won't see them. We won't see them how they are. Square girl, తెలుసా మీరు ఇప్పుడు చూసారా స్క్వేర్ గర్ల్ అని? మన imaginary చూస్తాం స్క్వేర్, లాంగ్, షార్ట్. But here is there. Round boy. Did you listen round boy? Did you see round boy how it is? How he is? We don't see. Just like that. Here is in a jewelish manner. Round boy. I don't like it. One comment he commented, I don't like it. Because what is here like it? Playing games on the road. Playing games on the road, I don't like it. I don't like it. Road మీద ఆట నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు రా బాబా అని చెప్పాడు ఎవడు. Who said here? Round boy. Next, graceful girl. Another girl here there repeated. Let's walk around the wall. Okay, we should walk around the wall first of all. When our lessons are over, మన lessons అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మనం అలాగా గోడ చుట్టూరు అంటే రౌండ్గా ఒక రౌండ్ వెళ్ళొద్దాం. At least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. కనీసం ఒక రౌండ్ వెళ్ళేస్తే బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్డెన్ చుట్టూ తిరిగినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది అని. Here is the comment made by graceful girl. Next, tall girl. How happy we were there. అప్పుడు past. How happy, how we were enjoying, how we were playing. But now that is it's not there because it was obstructed. A high wall. No one should allow. If anyone should allow, it is garden. That is as per the action should be taken as per. This is the board. Round boy. He is a very selfish giant. He is a very selfish giant. They found that a giant in his garden. A giant in a garden. He is a very selfish. బాగా స్వార్థపడు లోపల ఉన్నవాడే ఆ జైంట్ అనేవాడు చాలా స్వార్థంగా ఉన్నాడని చెప్తున్నాడు. The giant opens a door in the wall. ఆ వాల్లో ఒక డోర్ ఫిక్స్ చేసి డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి and shouts at the children. So some children they stayed. Then here is went at once opened the door and the giant saw them. At that time children are discussing. Okay children, now I shall continue this lesson by next class. But one thing, you have to read what I explained here. Just one page, 35 and 36 page here is there. Then next class I shall continue. But you are enjoying this kind of drama. When the class are possible here, just some of the students standing round by. I selected some of the students who are very short, who are very that is long, and here is round face of that is I selected some of them, and here is standing, that is I am going to place standing some places positions, and to make this kind of drama is excellent or beautiful. Okay, but here is you should read once a drama. Okay children, thank you.